In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook Timeline. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable way to thank everyone quickly while still sounding genuine. Start by gathering all the birthday posts in one place. Open Facebook on your phone or desktop and check your notifications. You'll see a cluster from your birthday. Tap through to your profile to view your timeline so you can work from top to bottom. If your birthday was a day or two ago, scroll to that date so all the messages are grouped together. This makes it easier to reply in a single session without missing anyone. Decide whether you want to post one all-in-one thank you or reply individually, or do a mix of both. A general post is the fastest way to acknowledge everyone. On your profile, create a new post and write a sincere note. Something like, "Thank you so much for the birthday, love. I read every message and I'm grateful for each of you." Keep it short, warm, and in your own voice. Set the audience to friends and pin it to the top for a day so people who post later will still see it. This covers everyone at once and buys you time to add personal replies to close friends. Next, work through individual posts for a personal touch. On each birthday message, add a reaction to show you've seen it. Then leave a short comment. Vary your wording a bit to avoid looking copy-pasted. "Thanks so much," or "Really appreciate this," or "You made my day." If someone wrote a longer note, add one specific detail in your reply, like, "Mentioning the cake photo made me smile." On desktop, you can open posts in new tabs to move faster. On mobile, reply as you scroll. Aim for consistent, friendly tone over elaborate responses. If you created the general thank you post, reference it occasionally in your replies, like "Thanks for the wishes." Big thank you post on my timeline too. That keeps things cohesive without repeating yourself. Avoid tagging lots of people in a single post, as it can clutter their notifications. As you finish, clear any leftover birthday notifications to confirm you didn't miss anyone. Leave your thank you post pinned for 24 hours, then unpin it so your profile returns to normal. If you prefer more privacy, you can limit who can post on your timeline in settings before your next birthday, and direct wishes into comments on your own post. That's it. You've acknowledged everyone quickly, thoughtfully, and without stress.